another person, another young black Jamaican boy get killed for foolishness. Actually, he got killed for his cell phone. And if you ask me, up here mad people there in Jamaica now it look like. Cause honestly, really, people still like kill people over phone nowadays. No man. But if you want to hear the details of this story, if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions, please keep on watching your girl. So Nicholas Francis was leaving school where he approached a bus basically. Went onto the bus. Someone on that bus saw his phone and felt the need to want his phone. For needing phone where buy, work for, do nothing to give this boy his phone. But he felt the need like, yeah, me need a phone there, so me will get it. So he went up to this little 14-year-old boy, asked this boy for his phone. The boy refused to give him his phone. He stopped the boy from his phone and fling him off the bus that they were on. This little boy was leaving school actually, and this happened right outside of the school premises. This boy actually ended up dying at the hospital because of the stab wound to his chest with heart, and he bled out. So another one. First it was the X6 murder trial, now this. When is it gonna stop in Jamaica? Because and I know people that kill people for people phone at Jamaica. My cousin actually died because of this foolishness right here. When iPhone just come out on iPhone Hatta Road, my cousin mom came down from the United States and gave him an iPhone. They see him with the iPhone, ask him for the iPhone, and say, yo, you know, get my phone, then stab him up and kill him. So when is this gonna stop? Because honestly, these people that feel the need to kill people for their phone need to go look work. Like they really need to go look a job. If you want something so bad that you're willing to kill for it, make sure you want it enough to go work for it too. Because honestly, that don't make no sense. All they do are bad mind people for them things where them work hard for and them get. Because people not just get things so. People now take money off a tree, or most people in Jamaica feel say the roads are paved with gold in the United States and people just walk and pick up their money off a tree and then just buy anything them want and them send it a yard and they don't have to work for it. Most people in the United States have to work 2 and 3 and 4 job to actually send a little thing go Jamaica to go help them family, or send a phone or send a barrel go Jamaica to help them family. So when they are Jamaica and the bad mind people for them things, people have to all clean shit over here, okay, if send the phone there where you see people have a Jamaica for them things. Please be very aware and be very conscious that money no grow up on tree. Just like how money no grow up on tree at Jamaica, So this little boy lost his life over a phone. Lost his life over a phone. Like my grandmother would have said, want it, can't get it, and get it, no want it. Everybody have the means and ways and opportunities to get what they want, regardless of the situation. I know it's Jamaica hard and Jamaica tough. But if you are a real hustler and you want certain things, you can get it. Even if it takes 3 and 4 and 5 years for you get it, you can get it. So there's no reason for people to be out here killing each other over a mere cell phone, where if you take a stock, you can go to China and get it for about $5, $6, and they mass produce this stuff so much that there's replicas. If you can't afford the real original thing, get one replica will look just like it. A phone is a phone. As long as it performs the basic uses that you need it for, it no matter. So when people they are Jamaica and they war and they kill people for them hype phone or them iPhone or whatever they want to call it, you know worthy. You know worthy. And next thing, this guy is gonna say he's scared. He's actually scared to turn himself in to the police because they're afraid him will kill him. Honestly, I'm not gonna miss my word. People like this at Jamaica, fi dead. There's no place in Jamaica for people like this. Jamaica bad enough right now. There's enough stuff going on in Jamaica that should be at the forefront of the news instead of this BS. Because honestly, when me look upon this, I pure foolishness. Because nobody should lose their life for one little man-made sin thing like this. Where if you take a stock, you know what, nothing. This little boy lost his life, and this is where people take up things in their own hands in Jamaica, because he should have been in custody already. He shouldn't dare road the talk about how he afraid to turn himself in. If the police did their jobs and did it right, he should have been in custody already, because this boy was on a go get dead pan road. And that's why Jamaican people always take up the justice system in their own hands, because as you guys know, the justice system only works for the privileged people. It don't really work for the poor people. But that's my thoughts and opinion on this story. My thoughts and prayers go out to the family, because we know this hard for my family go through it. I know how hard it is to lose your child over a phone that, yo, if you could have give the person the phone and take back your child life, me sure the mother and father of this young boy would have done that. But they say time heals all wounds, and my thoughts and prayer goes out to everybody, the family, friends, everybody that's associated with Nicholas Francis. Prayers up for Uno. That's my thoughts and opinions on this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.